Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making my first gaming video, so please, if there's any mistakes, don't be surprised. Okay, so my name is going to be there, that's what my name is going to be. So first, I'm going to check out the skins next. So let's see, what do we have? Ooh, nice skins over here. So since it's quarantine time, I'm going to be doing the stay safe one, the stay safe skin. And then we're obviously gonna do the classic Paper I.O. and it says hot. Okay, so no further ado, let's join in. Ooh, I really like how the mask is. It's nice. Ooh, I really like this. Hey, nobody trying to take part of my quarantine. A bunch of hands. It's just a bunch of hands. Why does it, can this thing be a little more decent? I mean, oh, come on! I could have got. Hey, you get back here! Get back here! You committed a crime! No! Oh my gosh, that was so close. Oh yeah! Hey, why are you taking me? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! You can see in the corner, it's not really that clear. Hey! Get back! Oh, cut! Oh, you've got to be kidding me! I'm retrieving my land. You've got to be kidding me! Huh? I really want to try out the speed one. Actually, no. Let's not do that yet. I want to try and do. You could do what? What? I never knew. Whoa. Okay, maybe that was a failure. That was a big failure, I can tell you. Okay, so the WASD doesn't work, so I have to do with my cursor, aka mouse. Okay, let's play. I don't know why this is literally just hands that are gloved, and then my face. I mean, it's a harmless little face. I'm next to Mr. Somebody. Why am I just not making land? So to people who do not know what this game is, so it's Paper I.O, which most of you already know. So in Paper I.O, you just expand your place and basically take out other people, and then you exclude and then get skins and a bunch of other stuff. It's nice. It looks like nobody wants to attack me for some reason. Ooh. Oh, I could have gotten him if I was more careful. Actually, that doesn't make any sense. Whoa, no! I wasn't even focusing. I hate myself. Extra life? Sure. Oh, wait, that's an ad. Better. Okay, I'm gonna try out a different skin. Ooh, there is kill COVID-19, COVID-19 doctor, and sanitizer. I couldn't even get 30 seconds inside my area. Wait, why is it? Oh, yeah. Let's see which one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Watermelon. I actually really like watermelon, which is good. Does there have to be so much ads? Okay, yay! I'm a beautiful watermelon. I hope nobody kills me. Hey, there's unbeautiful. Oh my gosh! I literally made a candy symbol. If you did not see that, that was nice. Dude, you can see in the corner. So if the border thingamajiggy flashes, that means your piece is being taken out. I don't know what I'm doing. I should take out some piece of this thing. Boom. It's so easy. Boom. I'm gonna take a big risk. Oh no, that was messed. I want to see if I can make a huge round. Yeah, I think I'll need to do that with small map or fast. We're gonna try that in a little bit once I'm oofed. How much of this am I taking apart? This is so laggy. Why is it so laggy? Maybe because of the recording? Because that sometimes happens with me. Oh, hey, you're not taking a piece out of me. I'm taking a piece out of you. Oh no, he knows I'm here. He knows I'm here. Hey, evacuate. Get over to my side. And oof, I got somebody. I'm awesome. Oh my gosh. What just happened over here? Did somebody take this guy out? Because it's getting weird. I mean, I just saw the dude. Oh, there he is again. And oh my gosh. He's taking pieces out of me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I hate myself. Okay, I'm gonna try a second one. Okay, just saying, soon we're gonna try out I.O. Let's see, Spider-Man. No. Okay, let's do Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo again. Eeny, Meeny, Miny. Wait, hold on. Is there more? Actually, let's try out the tank. I like the tank. So, change the game mode. I'm gonna do Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo again. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the nose. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Fast speed. Let's go. Oh no, this is gonna get really fast. Yeah, this is very fast. Let's try the trick of ours. Instead of going on the exactly side of the map, let's just try to expand it like this. Oh, somebody just oofed it right there. I'm just expanding it through here so I can just make a full round and oof everybody. Whoa! I almost got... You've got to be kidding me. At least that was my new high score. Wait, I took like 30... Oh wait, I got a new skin. I think I got a new stick. How did I not get a new skin? It just stays 3 seconds. Oh, you have to say inside the place. Now I get it. Let's see if I can do that. Whoa, I should have not done that. Jump. I don't. It's so fast and laggy. It's not a good combination. I'll get even laggy when you see that when I see this video. Whoa. No, this thing's looks like the Minecraft creeper for some reason. I don't know why, but it looks like that. It's a tank. It's supposed to be tankish. Not creeper. Oh my, that I almost oofed myself. Oh my gosh, Pizza Man is coming. I'm just gonna call this guy Pizza Man. Good thing we're fast. Like, that's basically a perk. Oh. This guy is trying to expand. He's trying to take my inventory. I don't know even what I'm saying. What? Oh! Change game mode. We're going for small map. Controls mouse or Y or WASD. I tried that. It didn't even work for some reason. Okay, let's do small map. And let me try the other. So, we're on a small map. Oh yeah, it is a very small map. William is... Somebody just took him out. Thank you, whoever that was. Because you just saved my life from a big... Oh, is that William? It's William. Oh wait, no, that's Pierce, I think. Yeah, that's Pierce. Oh, he just got taken out. Yay, thank you. So, oh, you are not going anywhere. Get back here right now. Yes, I got him. Boom. And boom. Okay, this guy's like... Oh, no. Do not get me, please. No. I did it. I'm taking out this fags dude. Oh, I'm actually in first place. I did not notice that. I'm first place. Yay. Is anybody taking me out? I'm taking you out then. Dude, this guy's not even coming. Hey. I know what you're doing. Yes, I got him. Whoa. Oh, you're not going. No, fags. Yeah, got him. Now nobody can beat me since everybody else is at 4% and I'm at 10. Oof. It's not like somebody's gonna like go around the entire map. That would be bad. Phew. Oh no, that's a bad idea. What? Oh my gosh, I could have gotten that person, but I did not. No! Why? I'm gonna get an extra life. So, actually redid it. Hey, I'm in a different part of the map. Yay. Okay, I still need to try out that trick for some reason. Why didn't I not try it out? Hey, yeah, there you go. 3%. Oh yeah, this is the small map, I forgot. If you do this, boom, it's 60%. Ugh. Oh my, that's 0.7%. Is that even possible? I'm still the king and maggot. Oh wait, officially maggot follow up with Jabba, whatever that means. Okay, there's no. Oh, okay, Mr. Flurry or Mr. AKA Mr. Oh, he's actually in 5th place. Hey, I want to go around the world. Oh my gosh, this guy almost got me. This guy scared me. Boom. I'm so lagging. I don't like this. When I used to play this a little earlier, it wouldn't. Hey, who's taking out my jump? Nobody's taking me out. What are you doing? Get back here, you. Yeah. Yes, I got him. Okay, I need to regroup all my things. Oh no, there's a lot of people. I'm just walking peacefully. Nothing bad is gonna happen. Is there anybody? Oh, there's a pink and black dude. And purple. And pink and purple and anything. How much people are even coming here? Oh, one person oofed. Yay. Whoa. Well, that was close. I mean, you can. Oh, wait. Somebody's taking out my place. Nobody takes me out. Get back here. Hiya. Okay, that's a big risk. Oh my, how big is this? Oh, 24, 23. I'm taking you out. He's like, what's going on? This is what's going on. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Oh, hey, get back here. Oh, come on, I was so close to doing that. Hey, who's taking me apart now? The top? Hey, I'm supposed to be here. Oh yeah. No, don't take me apart. You're ruining my plan. Get back here. Yeah. No. Oh, that was so close. Yeah. You've got to be kidding me. Why can't I take this person out? Why? Somebody already top ranked me because of you, Mr. Alien. I mean, Pac-Man. Or Ghost from Pac-Man. What does this dude want with me? No. This is why I do not like when it's laggy. Choosing a different map. I mean, person. Let's do. Since I like pizza a lot, I'm gonna do pizza. Neon can't. Rainbow, heart, watermelon, ghost. Yeah, I want to do the ghost thing. I'm gonna do the last one for the day or for the video. World conflict. I want to see how this works. I mean, it's definitely gonna be based on it. I still don't know what this means. Defend your country's honor in this new mode. Capture as much as territory as you can. Fight players with various countries. Be a part. Wait, where does it say? Every % of territory captured is added to your country's capital. Become the best and make it into the leaders' boards. Nice. Okay, enter game. I'm USA? No, I'm gonna be India. Where is it? Let's see. Let's go. Here it is. Wait, where is it? There you go. Boom. World conflict. I'm India. Everybody. I have the second most population. Oh, I'm New Delhi. actually really like this. This is so cool. I really like this. New Delhi. It says New Delhi. Hey, Noah. Oh no! I got Brian. I really like this. No, why did I? I'm keeping world conflict. I really like world conflict. Mini games, apparent labyrinth, Paper I.O. Boom, 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 boom. Just keep this thing. I said world conflict. Boom. I'm still gonna be India. Top 10 countries. USA in the top. Me is USA. Boom. Ooh. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, my God. Oh, no, no, no. Let's try that again. Oh, now I'm pink. Yay, I'm pink. I'm pinky. I don't know what the... What does the... I don't get it. What does the 1, 2... I don't get it. How... Like, what does that mean? I'm 11th place. Raiden? I'm USA Vlogs. Okay, I really like doing this. I'm going to continue doing this. Oh, somebody just got... Oh, mine! I'm taking your territory! Boom! Got him. Fuck! Well, that was close. What? Hey, what you doing is oofed. You're getting oofed. Since I took out 2 people. I'm 13. Actually, 23, I mean. 6. I'm 4th place, everybody. Hey, what you doing, Mr. Tubla? Oh, never mind. This thing is so laggy, but I'm so cool. I'm in 1st place. How am I 1st place? How am I 1st place? How? How am I 1st place? Wait, what is that? Can somebody just do something like... no, I wish they do like countries. I mean, states of any country. Because that would be nice. Because I already know what I would be choosing. The reason why I'm choosing India, because I'm from India. So, yeah. Oh, no, that's a huge risk. Oh, no. Am I oofed? I'm not oofed. I'm awesome. I'm still 1st place. I don't get it. How am I 1st place when I just make... Oh no, somebody's taking me apart. Who's taking me apart? Hey, you, get back here. How do you like that? Oh no. You better get Coatsy Peppa Pig. I don't know why I'm shouting out random things, but... Yeah, yes, I got him. 'Cause I'm awesome. I'm just sweeping the ground with my paint. Oh no, no. Yay, I survived, 'cause I'm awesome. I'm like, South Africa. When did that have to happen? Do 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 do. I don't know why I like singing right now. Oh no! No! So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this gaming video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!